So we have some very hard ice cream here and some determined birds.
Achoo.
It's cold, isn't it?
Oh, Rosie.
Ooh, that's cold. And yes, you shouldn't let your parrots have ice cream, so we won't do this for very long. It's funny, they can't handle the cold. It makes them sneeze and shake their heads. That and they don't share food well. They're kind of possessive.
They can see each other. They keep taking grapes.
That's cold. It makes you sneeze.
Ooh, they're working at it.
You know what would make that ice cream even better? If you had shoved almonds in it.
I know.
No, it's okay. I think that's almost enough. They've had enough.
Oh, I got sprayed there. Sure, stick one in there if you can stick it in. It might be too hard, Mallory. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're just gonna make a mess when they start crumbling that on there.
Now I'll take that out right away.
It's too hard.
You're gonna have the almond, Toby. You might not have the ice cream.
That's a better snack. Ice cream's not for parrots, eh, Rosie? Oh!
Lost a feather, Rosie. Look at you. Look. She shook a feather off. Look, one feather.
Okay, no more ice cream for parrots.